Imagine turning your ordinary photos into breathtaking Studio Ghibli style art without any drawing skills, whether it is dreamy landscape or your own portrait. In just a few clicks, you can create something straight out of Miyazaki film. Sound unreal? Let me show you how. First, head over to ChatGPT and upload any image you want to transform. It could be a landscape, a character, or even a simple selfie. The possibilities are endless. I choose to Virat Kohli photo here. Now, here's the secret source. Just type convert this image into Studio Ghibli art style. Want a specific Ghibli movie's vibe? Add a detail like make this look like a scene from Spirited Away, or add warm lighting and fantasy elements. And more details, the better. Once you hit enter, watch the AI do its thing in second. You will see your image transformed into stunning image style masterpiece. ChatGPT giving few images for free, so you can try into Twitter account or X. Open your X account and go to Brook and upload your image and give the prompt. So it's not a accuracy and is a little bit similar to the, and that's it. Your very own Ghibli's inspired artwork. No brushes, no easel, try it out. Share your result and let me know which Ghibli movie art remind you of. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing AI tricks.